Okay, the ABUS 7440. This set of locks has been my nemesis for months. I have tried on and off over the past few months to get into any of the 6 of these that I own, and I just get nowhere with them. I'll try that after I get this unlocked. And finally, today I got it open after having picked the 7240, which is the same keyway with security pins, and I got through that one with no problems. But this one, and I didn't feel anything in here other than standard pins, it's just been a beast to get through. I don't know why. So I got it open today, and I had to do it again just to make sure it wasn't fluke. I got it twice right in a row. So now I think I got what's going on. It feels like a lot of times I'll get a click out of it and then I gotta go for a second click for whatever reason, almost like serrated, but I'm pretty sure it's not. So anyways, let me give it a try. One of the things that I learned from the 7240 is I don't have to go off the wording, I can go off the bottom, and so maybe that's what helped me get into it today. Although this first pin is always hard to lift, so I do go off the wording with a different pick to get that first pin. And let's see. Now the question is, why does it seem to do that? Is that overset? It comes down like that. Alright. Oh, let me try this using this pick for a bit. 2 click, 3 is springy, 4 click, 5 click, 6 binding hard, click, let's come back, let's check this first pin out again. I'm pretty sure that's overset. Got them back down. Click 5, click 6. Get this deeper hook out. Check some of these back pins. 6, click again. See, it's weird. I can't really tell who's holding me up, which is what's really frustrating about this lock. I don't know what it is. It's just like, oh, I got what feels like a false set almost, and that's when I know I'm pretty close. Just one of these is like needing a second click out of it for some reason. Which one is it? This first one. Get this. What's this one called? Hook 1? No, I don't even know what this is with the flat top on the front. I like these ones a lot. Should probably get extra ones. I've never broken a pick until probably right now. But this is one that I think I would get another one of. And there we go, that first one. So I got it open, even on camera. So I definitely know what's going on in these. Well, I don't know what's going on in them, but I know how to get into them at least, finally. Or this one, now I gotta replicate it 5 more times, what I've learned. And there we go, lock it back up. Get it open again. Key retaining. Alright, I don't know. I've taken the plastic area off. It's pretty hard. I don't remember how I did it. Let's see. 1 second. Ooh, move the whole camera. Let me grab some screwdrivers maybe. See if I can't get something under here. Oh, okay. Since I've been in there a couple times, it made it easy. But I don't know. I've taken this cover off, but I think that's as far as I went with it. Yeah, once I get that out, then this should come out, right? So I've gone this far with it, and then, oh yeah, that's what it was. It's, I guess you gotta drill something out here to get this out. So that's why I never got to see what's in there, if there's any special pins. I guess I'll look on YouTube, see if somebody else has drilled this open. I don't do destructive opening of locks, so sorry I won't be able to show you what's in there, but I'm sure there's other YouTubers that have drilled this open and can show us. Anyways, I'm really happy to have gone through that. Now I'll just get through the other 5, and then I'll be super happy to get through these, what should be much simpler locks, but have been giving me trouble forever. Alright, thanks.